Hello guys, welcome to episode number 2. In this video we will see how we can display error messages for the records getting failed using ScreenFlow. So for this I'm going to create a new ScreenFlow. So let's go to flows, select new flow, ScreenFlow, auto layout, select a screen where we are placing a section with two columns and I'm adding text which is account name. So as we all know, account name is a mandatory field. Let's just double check. So account name is the mandatory field. If we do not provide any account name, so we will not be able to create record. So I'll keep it as optional. Uh, and then second, we can select pick list. Let's say type. I'll keep it also as optional and I'll create a new resource for picklist choice set. Select object as account, data type is picklist, field is type. Done. So here we have two fields and click on done. Okay, so we have to provide the screen name which is account details. Then click on okay, we are getting error. So the type is already exist, account type. Okay, so our screen is ready. To insert the data into account, we need to create account records. Create, sorry, create account record, and we need to create a single record, and then we will set the values based on the input selection. Select object as account, and then we need to assign all the fields. So the first is account name, which is coming from the screen account name, and then we have type, which is also coming from the screen type. Click on save. Now let's save this flow. So I'll give it as create account and click on save. So now let's debug this flow, run for the latest version. So now if you can see, we have two input fields. One is account name and then we have type. So if we select type and if we leave the account name as blank and if we click on save, then the record will not going to create and it throws an error. Let's see. So it throws an error and an unhandled fault has occurred in this flow. But this is not the correct way to display error messages. And you can see the error in the right hand side, a required field missing. So to achieve this, let's go back to flow, and wherever you are creating your record, just click on this and add a fault path. So here you can display your error message. Just select a screen, select a display text, and we'll give it as error message. Okay, it cannot contain space, so error message, and we are giving an error occurred during account record creation, and we will put a proper error message which is coming from the insert a resource and select flow and flow fault message. So with this attribute we will get our error message, which is whatever the error is. In my case it is required field missing. Then click on done. Okay, we have to provide the screen name, error screen. Click on done. The same way we can display a success message once the account record is successfully created. So just click on plus icon, screen. Let's give a success screen. Then just drag a display text and here success message, and you can give successfully created account record and then click on done. Just save this flow, activate this, and we will use this flow in our home page. So just to do that, just click on home, setup, edit page, drag your flow and select our account flow, which is create account screen flow, save and click on back. So as you can see, no, sorry, I think I have selected a incorrect flow. Just give me a second. Just let me just delete this flow first. Yeah, drag our flow. So our flow is create account, save and click on back. Okay, so now you can see this is our flow which we have two fields, and now I'm just selecting a type without entering the account name and click on next. So you can see now I have got the uh, error message, which is my custom message plus the fault message. This says the required field is missing. Let's finish. So let's see if we type the account name and select a type, click on next. So now you can see the message populates and successfully created account record, and we can verify. Just go to account and you can see the test account 2 has successfully created. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.